In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting OST files to Gmail format using the BitRecover OST to Gmail wizard. To install the BitRecover OST to Gmail wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. Here, users will see Convert Configured Outlook Mailbox Data. And, let me select my Outlook Mailbox Data options. Under this option, users are provided with Select File or Select Folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select the OST file you wish to convert. Then, click the Open option below. This box will display the path of the selected folder. Use Recovery Mode is a feature within the software that helps recover or repair corrupted or damaged OST or PST files. Check or uncheck it accordingly. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Users have the option to save the files in other formats such as PST, MSG, EML, text, MBOX, and many others. Let's select Gmail option for this tutorial. Change language option to choose the language for the exported file. Gmail email option to enter Gmail email address. Copy to default folder option will import OST file data directly into the corresponding default folders of your Gmail account. Check on using Google OAuth authentication option. And simply click the Next button. Your default browser will open to log in into the Gmail account. After login into the Gmail account, go back to the tool, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. The trial version will only process 25 messages, and to remove the limit, user will have to purchase license to the software. Click OK and open your Gmail inbox. Go to Label section in Gmail inbox. And here you have your exported OST files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.